Welcome to SmileyStar TV.
Hey Smiley Stars! Today we are going to learn about something super fun. Letters. Yes, the letters that make words and help us speak and read. Do you know what are letters? Okay, what are letters? Did you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet? Some of them are called vowels and others are called consonants. Together, they help us make all the words we know, like cat, dog, apple. Okay. Can you shout out your name? Now, try to guess which letter in your name are vowels. Let's find out together. Let's start with vowels. There are 5 special letters: A, E, I, O, U. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U. These letters let the air flow freely, like singing. Try saying ah. That's a vowel sound. Can you find something in your room that starts with A, E, I, O, U? Look around quickly. Did you find something? Say it loud. Now, let's talk about consonants. There are 21 consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, all the way to Z. There are letters where your mouth closes and gets narrow when you say them. Try saying B or M. Feel your lips close. That's the consonant sound. Try again. B, M. You feeling your lips are getting closed. Let's play a sound game. I'll say a word and you clap when you hear a consonant sound. Ready? Ball. Did you clap? Great job. Let's start with these pictures and missing letters. You have to write correct short vowel sound in the middle of each word. F space N. What's missing? Yes, it's A. F-A-N. Fan. Let's do some more. L space G. That's right. It's log. The missing letter is O. F space X. Quick. What animal is orange and bushy? Yes, it's fox. So the letter is O. Next, C space T. Correct. It's a cute cat. And the missing letter is A. Let's try some more. T space P. What do we drink from cup? No, but this is top. T-O-P. And the missing letter is O. Let's look at the next section. We have to complete the word and tick whether a missing letter is a vowel or a consonant. C space T. That's cat. The missing letter is A. It's a vowel. Milk. M space L K. That's milk. Missing letter is I. Another vowel. F space S H. Fish. Missing letter is I again. Vowel. J space M P. That's jump. And the missing letter is U. Vowel again. Can you jump like a bird? Jump, jump, jump. Stand up and do one quick jump. Great. You just acted out a word. Guess the mystery word. C space P. I'll give you a hint. What do you wear on your head in the sun? It's a cap. Great job. I'll tell you some fun fact about vowel and consonants. Ready? We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We have 21 consonants like B, C, D, all the way till Z. Blends. Blends special consonant pair like SL, ST, SW. These all help us make words and become reading stars. Wow! You did a fantastic job today. You learned about vowels, consonants, and had fun doing it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SmileyStars TV. Hey, tell your parents what you learned today. You are bird wizard. Bye bye superstars. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time for another exciting journey.